Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Need to remove the rear light.
We're Marc and Vee,
and we're proving you don't have to be a full-timer to see the world.
Join us on our journey.
So it's quite a simple one. What we have to do is we have to go into the boot. So let's come into the boot with me. Okay, here we are in the boot, and this little cover here. So we need to first remove that. So literally to slide him out. It's pretty much, you can see there he's held in, he's got a little tab that goes in there. Now, the first thing I've noticed is that a repair? No, I think that could be the normal one. Anyway, what we're going to do is remove a light. We're going to first of all, unscrew this tab here. So it's quite tight. I don't know when the last time he came out. And there he is. That's how it looks like when he comes out. It's on a little spring. And there is a harness there as well. Hopefully you can see that just in there. I'll bring the camera around just a little bit more. See a little harness there. So I'm just going to squeeze him in and hopefully he will pull out. And there he is, just pulled in, pulled out. There's a little tab. You can see that little tab that comes out quite easily. Then we're going to come outside. So then we come out, and I'm hoping it's just going to be a case of wiggling him. I'll soon find out, won't we? Anyways, don't know if we have to all come out together. Maybe. It does feel like something else is holding him. Let's have a look before we start yanking. Okay, I've had a bit of a wiggle. Trick is, I'm just going to bring you around here. What the trick is you grab hold the bottom of that plastic and just pull. And look at that, out he comes. So we have got to look for a blown bulb. So that's what we're going to do next. That was easy to come out, wasn't it? Okay, to remove the back of the light unit, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 missing, 5, 6, 7 Phillips screws. We'll remove them and then we'll have a look inside. It's obviously been off before. Literally once the screws are out, we just remove it and just put that down there. And then just check our bulbs really. So we'll have a look at the bulbs and work out which one is the bulb that we're going to replace. I've got a feeling it might be that one there, which is a very strange looking one. So installing is quite the reverse really. And just push that one into place, and if you come down here, up here, you can feel with your finger the hole that one's going to go in. So literally, you can feel. Put your finger in, make sure you're in the right place, and it just goes in, and then you feel him. You can, while you're holding them. The tail light, you can actually feel it just going in. That's him, so then we're just going to do him up. Just do him up. You know, you sort of know how tight it's going to be. You don't want to be yanking. It's plastic threads, so you don't want to be yanking it up. And then I'm just going to connect that one up. And there you are. That's how to remove and replace a tail light. So there, he's all done. That's the light all back in, and if that was useful for you, please consider giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to see more bits and pieces on this Beetle and all the other things we do. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later, guys. Bye.